Does someone told you that time is to delete a little backgrounds in this picture? No, it is no little background to remove, but also they still delete this background from these pictures. So first, they need a pen tool to selection the trace object. And then you need to press Ctrl Enter to make a selection. And after you need to copy the layer. You just click on first layer and press key Ctrl J. Hide the first layer. Then click on channel and choose the last channel and copy. And after click and make and click adjustment. And next choose label. And just decide to hide the background behind the tree. And after click OK. Next, you need burn tool to highlight the tree's object, make a black color. And this time I would like to show you that you need to paint the tree's object to make the black color. And also with the background we need the white color. And some the object that I need the black color, I need the lasso selection and add the black color. And next, I need the white background clearly from the leaves of this tree. I need the dodge tool to remove the blur from the leaf of this tree. And after you need to make the selection, click the channel and click selection button. And after, click select and click inverse. Next, unhide the color RGB and after, hide the channel copy. Go back to layer and click mask. Okay, now the background will remove from this tree. You can try with the Photoshop to edit your pictures. Thank you for your love sharing. See you in next video.